Hi guys, Jimmy here. I got a 2002 Honda Odyssey, and lately this car is acting up. What it's doing is sometimes you're driving and the car has no problem, runs smooth, and it will just stop in the middle of the road. Or the car runs smooth, you park your car, and you come back, you try to start, it won't start again. After a couple of tries, it will start and you up and running again. So that's the symptoms. It will just stop in the middle of the road, and then a couple of tries it will start again and you're up and running and get to your destination. So what I did, I just temporarily put a toggle switch to bypass and force it to really run, just in case I have problem again, and so that I won't get stuck in the middle of the road while troubleshooting. And what I found out is I have no power going out to my fuel pump, and later on I realized that from troubleshooting I don't have power going into it's cutting off the fuel pump relay. And this black and yellow is the one that supplies power to the fuse box going to the fuel pump relay. But anyway, if you notice, all the soldering lead or terminals except this one here is flat. The reason why this is flat is it accumulates a lot of heat, or there's a loose connection here, a loose contact, which creates a lot of amperage or heat. That's why this soldering lead or terminals is melted. And this heat shrink tubing has discolorization compared to other terminals. So, but anyway, there's I want to show you what's doing, and so we'll try to start the car. So it starts, right? So you're driving down the middle of the road, and then if I wiggle this wire, you can see the light. The car will just stop. So I'll just try to wiggle this wire. Hopefully I will have a good. There you go. Okay. That's it. It stopped. See that light flickering? That's a indication of a loose contact. So let's take this screw out, and I'll show you the bad terminal or connection, how it looks like. And yesterday I have a switch, okay, right here. So see the terminal there, it's melted, and the heat shrink tubing has discolorization. Anyway, I have another one that I got from the junkyard. I'm ready to do some repair today, but before I do repair, I just want to show this video for other people to have a reference. So if you notice on the left side, the one that I got from the junkyard, this lead here is still intact, still not melted, while this one here is already worn out. Alright, okay, thanks for watching. That's it.